How do we count using decimal numbers? As we know that the radix or base of a decimal number is always 10. That is, we use 10 different numerals to create any decimal numbers, and these numerals are from 0 to 9. So we count in decimal numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here we run out of digits because 9 is the last one digit number in decimal number system. So how to find out the next number? So there is a rule that if you run out of digits, then add 1 to the left and start from the first digit. This is simply like that. You need to add 1 to the left and start from the initial digit or first digit. So this will be like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. As shown here. Right? Now at 19, at unit place, we again run out of digits. Because now we know that what comes after 9, but we don't know what comes after 19. So how to find out the next count after 19? First of all, start with the unit place. Find out what comes after 9. We know that 10 comes after 9. So I will put 0 here. Now this one will be carry forwarded to the 1. Right? And now this number has a carry. So we need to find out what comes after this number in the decimal number system. So what comes after 1? 2, right? So 2. So the next number after 19 will be, as shown here, 20. Then again we will start from initial, then 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till 29. As shown here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now again here we run out of digits. So to find out the next number after 29 is, first find out what comes after this 9, which is at unit place. We know that 10 comes after 9, so 0 here. Now as this 9 has a number before it, like this 2, so 1 need to be carry forwarded. Now this 2 has a carry, so we have to find out what comes after 2 in decimal numbers. 3, right? So 3, 0 will be the next number, 30 will be the next number after 29. Now this goes on until 99. 99 is the largest 2-digit number in the decimal number system. So what comes after 99? Again same, start from this unit place 9. What comes after 9? 10. So this 0 here. Now this 9 has a number ahead of him, so 1 will be carry forwarded. Now this 9 has a carry. So we need to find out what comes after this 9. Again 10. Now 0 will be here. Now we will look after this 9. Is there any number here? No. So the 10 will be as it is. So 100 will be the next number after 99. And goes on. This will goes on like 101, 102, 103 and so on. So this is how we count using decimal numbers.